Kamil, ochrona w autobusie. Full protection.
From Corona?
Yeah.
I know.
Good job there.
So we can see the ticket inspectors and we can see the driver as well. DJ Inspector. Dobra, idziemy.
Coś na telefonach cały czas.
No jasne, ja. Elo. Merci. What? Situation is, my phone died. I have no idea where I am. I have no idea how many stations I need to go, and I don't know where David is.
One debt to society later.
Free train rides from country to country. I'm still looking for a place. I found this pallet. David's gone shop to buy some water because our water bottle has a funny taste now because I feel like the plastic is chemicals from the plastic are probably leaking into the water now. So I need to get a new water bottle. Should be probably about €1. And then tomorrow we need to try and figure out some food because we are starting to get hungry now. Hopefully Luxembourg won't be too difficult.
Dzień dobry. Poranki w trawie przy kościele.
Tak jest.
O tak właśnie wyglądają. No tych turach w nocy ogarnęliśmy tą miejscówkę. Spoko, wyspaliśmy się. Dzisiaj nowy dzień. Ogarnięcie też jest ważna sprawa, by nie wyglądać jak żul / pijak / bezdomny. Staliśmy koło kościoła. Nie wiem, czy jest opuszczony, czy nie, ale wieża działa w każdym razie, bo dzwon się odzywa co godzinę. A jesteśmy w Luksemburgu. Już jest miejsce spać.
Me and David just banged a training session at this beautiful location right here. Not the worst location to have a training session. Did 200 reps and now we are off to find something to drink and walk around, see what there is here. But so far it looks, if I'm honest, looks fucking sick, looks amazing. So actually Luxembourg City is pretty small. We spent 2 days walking around and that was more than enough. Got a couple of drone shots, met some people, had interesting conversations. Pretty much saw everything the city has to offer. The next day went to do some editing and spend the whole day in our traditional fashion in a fast food restaurant, just sitting there and editing. But in general, Luxembourg is a very tiny city. Definitely one of the nicest I've ever seen in Europe. People are nice and friendly, everyone speaks English, and in general it's just a very nice vibe. I definitely recommend for everyone to visit Luxembourg.
wtrącaj flip. Albo switch, albo... Wsiądzie? Wsiądzie.
Musi siąść.
Nie ma wyjścia. Yeah, G. Yeah. So we met skaters on the spot in Luxembourg. They're filming new video.
That's all I remember.
That's what we're doing. Like we meet people on the way. We're doing training with them. We skate with them. And we're filming the memories. Yo, show that. Stone.
Gang, you know the thing. Ile by
Stone. Huh? Stone crew.
So we met a skate crew, a group of probably around 10 guys, killing it on skateboards. Yeah, they do pretty much similar thing that we do, but they go around skating, sleeping in skate parks, you know, chilling, doing their thing. Yeah, that's what it looks like out here. Loads of Porsches, loads of Ferraris, loads of Lamborghinis, all that kind of stuff.
Raised by their mothers, I seen the hood raised brothers kill too many of us. A thin line between the haters.
It's quite nice here actually, I'm not gonna lie. And the prices ain't so bad. Like, I went into one shop to have a look, I went to another shop to have a look at the prices. They're not exactly like that outrageous, I'm guessing. So I'm gonna try to show you guys how we open cans without a can opener. Hopefully it will work here. So get the can, go at the top of it. Prius. That's a pretty decent choice of a police car. It's slow, so that's good. Apart from the buses being free, they also have a USB charger. Conditioning, and they're electric. So yeah, see, it can be done. Other countries want too much of this. Yeah, they're not going to do that for us. Imagine if public transport was for free in London, all of London. That would be so sick. Always sucking our peas, bro. I spend like £10 daily on